I will praise the Lamb of God who sits upon the throne. He who was and is to come. I will sing before his throne forever.
I will praise the Lamb of God who sits upon the throne. He who was and is to come. I will sing before your throne forever.
To get access to this website, kindly click on the link in the description of this video, or you can go to your browser and type Musicful AI, and here is it. This is it, and here we are on this website. The first thing is to sign up. You click on this three lines here, and it will bring you right to this place, and then you're going to click on sign up. When you click on sign up, you're going to click on, you can either sign up using your Google account or your Apple, or you can just use an email and then create your password, and then you go ahead and create an account. But me, I'm going to use a Google account because I already have a Google account I'm going to use. So if you're using the Google account, you just go ahead and click on Google account, select the email you want, and then you're going to gain access fully into the website. So once you are on the website, you're going to come over here and click on create music for free. And then you'll be brought right here into the interface. So this is where you are going to be creating your music. This is the lyrics for the description. You'll be able to enter the description of the song you want to make and type your audio. You can either upload an audio or record your voice, and then it will generate the sound for you. And before I forget, Musicful AI also has an app, so you can go to the Play Store to download your app. Here is Play Store, so you can go ahead and download the app. You can access Musicful AI through website or through your app. So moving on, once you log in, you'll be given 60 credits to generate your sound or your music. Here you can also choose the model with which you want to generate your sound, your song. So these are the features. Musicful, you can also generate a music video. That's one good thing I love about this app. You can generate a full music video once you generate your sound, and then you can use your sound to generate your full music video. This website is going to do everything for you. You don't have to do anything. All you need to just to choose the specification that you want, and it will create a full music video for you with accurate lip sync. But I'm going to show you how to do this in another video because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay? So to create your music, all you're going to do is to come over here. This is the lyrics. You're going to come here and enter your lyrics. When you're done entering your lyrics, then you're going to come over here to choose the style of your music. Now, this is where the full setup is. So you're going to click on more, and then you're going to choose the category of music you want. So you're going to choose the genre. Here you can see if it's pop, rap, you have hip hop, you have R&B, you have jazz, rock. Look at them. These are all the genres that you can choose from. If you are going with R&B, you can still go ahead to click on this R here, and you are going to see the different types of R&B. You have traditional R&B, soul, funk, reggae, contemporary R&B, new jazz. You can see these are all of them. If it's not R&B you want, you can go to pop. When you click on pop, you're going to see the different ones here that you can choose from. Go to rock, you can see all of them. So you're going to choose whichever one you're going to go for. So for the music I created, I went for R&B. Okay, and then from R&B I went to soul. I chose soul. You can choose more than one here. I chose soul. I also chose alternative R&B. So you can see choose contemporary R&B, sorry. So you can just go ahead and choose. So the more you're choosing, whatever you are choosing on these boxes is going to appear here. So you can see, okay, let me click on hip hop. So you can see it's right here, quiet, you can see. So whatever you choose here is going to be displaying right on this very box here. And for the version, which is this place, I chose the newest version, which is the MF 2.0. That was the version I used. So then you're going to come over to choose your gender. If you want a male singer, a female singer, or random, you're going to choose for your vibe, because then you are going to enter your title here, which is optional. So you can decide to leave all of that. So when you are done setting up everything here, you're going to come over here and click on generate. So I generated this sound using all of these, and then it gave me this sound right here. So let me play the very first one.
Lord, I feel your mercy near. Your love surrounds you, calm my fear. Every shadow fades away.
So it usually gives two generations. So this is the second generation it gave me.
Mm. Lord, I feel your mercy near. Your love surrounds you.
So you can see these are the two generations it gave me. So I'm going to go with this very first one. So whichever generation you want to go with, you're going to go ahead and click on the download button right here to download your sound. If you have not liked this video, please do it to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so that you can always get notified whenever new video comes up. Now, in case you don't have much credit to generate, all you need to do is to come over here. Look at this here, earn free credits. Click on it, and then it will bring you here. Now you're going to copy this link, because these are the rules. Number one, you're going to sign up with your invite and create two songs, and both inviter and invitee receives 250 credits delivered to your accounts within 2 hours. And three, reward cap, an inviter can earn up to 2,500 credits. So the more you invite, the more credit you get. So you can see this is it. So when you're inviting people, it's going to keep the record right here. All you need to do is to copy the link and share with someone, let them download, and you get your free credits. Okay. Now you can also generate your music in other languages. You're going to just come over here. You can see this place. So you can generate in English. You can see these are the different languages that you can also generate with. Can't you see how this website is fully loaded? This is good, and this is honestly a game changer when it comes to AI music creation. You can actually create songs using this website, and then you can post it on music platforms, and you can earn money from there. You can make money with it, copyright the song, and then you can make money. So just in case you want to get the pro plan, these are the prices of the pro plan. You have the $5 per month, and for lifetime, you can see this is the pro plan right here. And this is the standard plan. This is the basic plan. And these are all what you're going to get when you subscribe to the plan right here. Okay, so let's also check out generating audio with our own voice. Okay, so I'm going to just do a freestyle of song, and then we're going to generate it. Okay, so here I don't have anyone that I want to upload, so I'm just going to record my voice here. Okay, so this is how we record. It says record 6 seconds to 8 minutes supported. For best results, use 2 minutes or longer. So I'm going to just record a few seconds. I will praise the Lamb of God who sits upon the throne. He who was and is to come. I will sing before his throne forever. Okay, so I'm going to save it. Okay, so here is the sound I made. Then I'm just going to refine that sound. Click on these three dots right here, and then you're going to see cover, which is a new feature. Click on cover, and then you'll be able to now select all the different features you want and how you want the music to sound like. So here you're going to come over here. Okay, now this is the music that I recorded, and then we're going to come over to more. Now we're going to choose the genre that we want. Okay, so I'm going to go with blues, and then from blues I can go to contemporary, soul, blues, African blues. Okay, all right. So then for the mood, I'm going to choose relaxing. Then relaxing, I'm going to choose peaceful, calm, soothing, healing. Okay, and then for the voice, I'm going to go with emotional. That's for the voice. Okay, I'm going with emotional. Then for the instruments, I'm going to I'll go with piano, violin, okay, flute. Okay, I'm just going to add one more, electric bass. I'm just choosing randomly, okay? And then for the style, I'm going to choose soft. Yes, soft. I'm choosing soft for the style. Okay. For this, I'm going to choose ambient, choose intimate. Okay. So I guess we are done. All right. So these are all the style that we have chosen for this sound. And this is the verse, just a short sound. And then for the gender, I'm going with female. Okay. So for my title, I just wrote holy. So now we have everything all set up. Okay, the version, I'm still choosing this latest version. And then I'm going to click on generate. So let's wait and see what it's going to give us. Okay. Uh sound is ready. So let me play.
I will praise the Lamb of God who sits upon the throne. He who was and is to come. I will sing before your throne forever.
Wow. Okay, let's check out the second sound.
I will praise the Lamb of God who sits upon the throne. He who was and is to come. I will sing before your throne forever.
So if you want to download, you can download the MP3 But these are the different versions you can download. So I'm downloading with this. So guys, I think we come to the end of this tutorial. So I hope you found value for this tutorial. If you do, head on straight to musicful.ai to start generating your own sound. You don't even need to know how to sing before you can, generate a music or a music video. The website is going to enhance everything for you all for free. So guys, head on to musicful.ai and start creating your own sound. And until I see you again in my next video, bye.